When students hit a wall, frustration takes over. Without knowing exactly what to revise, they simply check out. Meanwhile, our teachers are drowning in marking. With huge classes, providing personalized feedback or identifying class-wide weaknesses is nearly impossible.
Breaking news, I'm Junjie. Forget everything you know about studying. Punca AI is here. No more confusion, no more headache. Just total syllabus mastery, lightning fast. The student struggle ends today. This is the future of learning.
Hi, welcome to our demo session. I'm Evan.
And I'm Steven.
So we've all been there staring at our graded papers and thinking what we could do better. Well, we have the solution for you. So just by taking a picture, such as this. So after taking a picture, the photo will be analyzed for each mistake and grouped based on topic. So after grouping them based on topics, it will show a side-by-side comparison of the right answer and what you did, and compare them and how you should have done it and what you could have done better and where you went off track. Then Gemini will generate a tailored mini lesson carving out each exact revision path tailored to your needs.
I'm not only the developer behind Punca AI, but also a math tuition teacher in Malaysia. And so I've conducted a small test with my class and did a survey for our app, and I've obtained two main insights that is specific to the landscape of education in Malaysia. The first is to add an assistive feature, which is to bridge the language gap for students from Chinese vernacular school to national secondary school. Students can choose the level of Chinese translation from math keyword to translating the entire explanation as they choose so that they are not stuck with figuring out the meaning of the word. And the second insight is that the mini lesson generated by AI is too lengthy, which might overwhelm students. So what we do is we break down lengthy response into bite size so that students feel more at ease and they can learn it at their own pace. These are the main two real feedbacks that we've got from our students for our apps. And as we know, education goes both ways. So we built a teacher mode for Punca AI as well. Because teachers do not have time to discover each student's specific weakness, so that is why our app come in and teacher can create a classroom for students to join. By doing so, teacher can have a glance on overall students' performance in the dashboard, and they are able to view a detailed analysis for each of their students working as well, and to know that which level of mastery that their students are stuck at. Finally, teacher can assign specific homework to fill the students' specific knowledge gap in order to help them excel more faster and more efficient.
For our tech stack, we've used Flutter to build cross-platform application so that teachers and students can use any device to access Punca AI. And our app is centered around generative AI, which is powered by Google AI Studio that will generate response analytics for teachers and students. Lastly, we use Firebase to store and synchronize students' data with teachers so that there's an ongoing positive feedback loop between both parties, making education more efficient and effective using Punca AI.
We are Impian and we are the team behind the solution of Punca AI.
Hi, my name is Juanju and you can call me Steven. I'm studying Computer Science and Finance in Monash University, Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Junhong. You can call me Brian. I study Economics and Mathematics in the University of Malaya.
Hello, my name is Evan. I'm studying Computer Science at Sunway University.
Hi, my name is Junjie. I study economics and specialize in applied statistics in University of Malaya.
Education isn't about avoiding your mistakes. It's about learning exactly from where you fall and then rising stronger.
It's about keeping that momentum alive, making sure a mistake isn't just a dead end, but just part of the flow.
We built this because we saw students were giving up, not because they weren't confident, but they couldn't learn from their own mistakes.
And eventually they get stuck and give up.
Impian kita, our hope is that no student, no teacher gets stuck and feel helpless.
Marilah realize impian kita bersama-sama. Together we achieve our shared dream, shared vision, shared hope with Punca AI.
Impian